Ardex introduces Flexbone, the most advanced single-source uncoupling solutions with an enhanced level of protection for tile and stone installations. Ardex Flexbone uncoupling membranes feature a unique bone-shaped design for improved performance benefits. GripLock Technology provides an optimal grip to the mortar for a greater tensile bond strength via undercuts in the bone shapes. The bone-shaped design provides increased flexibility for maximum absorption of shear movement in the substrate and the highest levels of safety for tile installations. You can choose your solution from two revolutionary Ardex Flexbone German-engineered high-performance uncoupling systems. Ardex UI 740 Flexbone uncoupling membrane is a high-load transitional bonded system that delivers maximum shear and tensile bond strength, making it ideal for large format tile applications in high-traffic, high-stress areas. Or the Ardex UI 720 Flexbone floating uncoupling membrane is the first and only unbonded uncoupling system that can cut installation time in half and is the perfect solution for difficult substrates. Ardex UI 740 provides maximum protection and is ideal for large format tile installations in high traffic, high stress areas. Ardex UI 740 is easy to install. First, the substrate must be even and structurally sound per TCNA or TT-MAC guidelines. Once the substrate is properly prepared to receive a bonded application, sweep and clean any dust or debris from the substrate. Flat trowel and key the mortar into the substrate. When using Ardex mortars, use a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel. If using Ardex AF207 pre-mixed uncoupling membrane bonding adhesive, use a 3/16 inch by 5/32 inch V-notch trowel. Comb out just enough mortar to be covered by the next pre-cut sheet of Ardex UI 740 Flexbone. Place the membrane felt side down into the wet mortar. Once the membrane is set into place, use a float or flat side of the trowel to fully embed the membrane into the mortar. Allow the mortar to set before installing the tile to eliminate displacing the membrane. If using Ardex AF207 pre-mixed bonding adhesive, you can install tile immediately. All movement joints and perimeter movement joints must be honored up through the membrane and the tile installation per TCNA and TT-MAC guidelines. Pull the mats to the joint, leaving a 5/16 to 3/8 inch space over the joint. To avoid mortar getting into the joints, place the self-adhesive Ardex UD 156 joint movement tape over the joint area. Ardex UI 740 Flexbone can be used as a topside waterproofing membrane. In waterproofing applications, Ardex SK 175 seam tape must be installed over all the membrane seams and at the changes of plane. Using the flat side of the trowel, completely fill the cavities of the membrane around the bone shapes. Notice how easily the mortar fills in the cavities. Ardex mortars are highly recommended due to their unique curing and drying capabilities. In addition, when using Ardex mortars and grouts, the installation can qualify for the comprehensive Ardex System 1 warranty. With the Ardex UI 740 membrane, you can choose to comb in the mortar wet and wet or let the mortar cure before installing the tile. In this video, the mortar is combed in wet and wet. Using the proper trowel for the tile being installed, comb out the mortar. When installing large format tile using Ardex high performance Microtech mortars, back buttering is typically not required. TCNA and TT-MAC do recommend back buttering large format tiles. Ardex recommends polymer modified mortars with an ISO 13007 C2 rating and or ANSI 118.4, 118.11, or 118.15 for Ardex uncoupling system installations. After the mortar is cured, grout the floor. Ardex mortars allow grouting to begin from 3 to 24 hours. Please refer to the appropriate technical data sheet for grouting times. Perimeter and expansion joints can be filled with a suitable soft joint filler like Ardex SX 100% silicone sealant or Ardex CA20P multi-purpose construction adhesive and sealant. Ardex UI 740 Flexbone uncoupling membrane, the most advanced single-source uncoupling technology for invincible tile and stone installation protection.
You can receive free product and installation training from the experts at Ardex Academy. To inquire about Ardex Academy, call your Ardex sales professional at 888-512-7339 or go to www.ardexamericas.com.